Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send calendar invites and track RSVPs all through Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and go to Menu and tap Events. And here, create your event with the date, time, and location. And here, once your event is created, tap Share and choose Messenger. Send it directly to individuals or group chats. They'll see the event details and RSVP button right in the chat. Then guests can tap going, maybe, or not going directly from Messenger, and you'll see our real-time updates inside the Facebook event page. If you're using a Google Calendar, just copy the event link and paste it in Messenger. Your friends can tap and add it to their own calendars. And that's how to easily send event invites and get RSVP through Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social tips. Thanks for watching.